everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I am Cassandra Thompson, your very normal 30 something beauty lover making videos here on YouTube. And today we are talking about Play by Sephora for January. Here it is. In case you didn't know, Play by Sephora is a subscription service similar to Ipsy and Birchbox. It's 10 bucks a month. You get 5 items and normally a perfume, but this time it's a different item. And you also get a little card. Hold on one second. You always get a paper that describes what you got for the month and how to use it. Plus you get what's called a play card. And you can bring this in and either get a makeover or you can buy an item and get 50 additional Beauty Insider points, which that is what sold me on getting this subscription. Was even if I hate everything in here, I can go buy one full-size item, which can be a $3 Sephora lip mask, and get $50 worth in points. So it's a great deal to me on that. But let's get into the bag. So this month, this is the little bag. It's got a little girl on it that says Happy You Year. Whatever. If you've watched these before, you know I don't care about the bags. So we're going to start with the bonus item. So it was hair bonus this month. And I got Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging People. Not that old. Replenishing Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. I really didn't pay attention before that was anti-aging, and I'm mildly offended. Okay. Next. Everybody got this in theirs this month. It is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Haven't tried it yet. Not thrilled. You know, it's a cleanser. Not thrilled by getting a cleanser, I should say. It could be a great cleanser. It's just one of those things that I've like cycled through, and now I have all these cleansers. All these little travel size cleansers. They've all given them to me lately. So, you know, of all the things in a box, I'm not excited by face wash. Next thing. It came in this, but I already took it out. It is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is primer and moisturizer in one. This tiny little vial. You know, it's going to be interesting. It's something interesting to try. It's once again not the most exciting product to me, but interested to try it. What I'm really not interested in is the Clinique Pep Start Eye, because this is so tiny and I don't know if you can see through it, but it is not full. It is filled to here. Where my nail bed is, that's how much product there is. So, wow, I really can't wait to see if that eye cream does something. Because it's not going to. There's so little, I'm not going to be able to see if there's a difference or not. So that annoys me. So, next thing is the Lancome Sills Booster XL. Haven't tried it yet. Of this sample. I had this a billion years ago when they first came out with it. But essentially you put this on first and then put your mascara on over it, and it's supposed to lengthen them. So that could be fun. It's just another step, and if you've been watching 30 Days, 30 Looks, you already know I have a lot of steps. So we'll try it. And then the last thing is this from Fresh. It's the Rose Floral Toner. So it'll be interesting. You know, toners are nice. I'm kind of getting back into toners. Anybody else? Just me? But once again, I mean, good size, so I will give them this. Good size, but you go through toner fast. So I'm curious how, like, I just went through a Laneige toner that was this size, and I got done with it way faster than I thought I was going to. So we'll see how long it lasts. But it was a really boring box. Like, let's just be honest. This is not that exciting. This might be, it's definitely a usable box. I've had boxes where I've had things where I'm like, well, I'm never going to use that magenta glitter Urban Decay lipstick, so let's get rid of it. But at least it was going out on a limb. Like, this is kind of like, okay, it's all real basic. So not the most exciting. Now that I've said that, watch me fall in love with every one of these products. It's going to happen. But not the most exciting, but hey, I'm here to report to you what I got. That's what I got. So that is all for this video. It's a very quick one. let me know in the comments, do you get a Sephora Play box or Play by Sephora, however you want to say it? Do you get other subscription boxes? What'd you get this month that you liked? And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And in case you didn't know, I do have a giveaway going on. It is the Merry Christmas giveaway that got set till February 6th. So you still have time to enter, but you need to go to that video to find out more. I will link it right here. You should be getting that and another video that I think you'd enjoy. So please keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.